Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we're going to take a look in the box and unbox the Kloudic electric portable heater. You can pick this up in a number of places, including Amazon. That's where we got it. And it is relatively small. Probably the box is only maybe 12 inches and maybe 8 inches back. Really not that huge. It's 600 watts, so it's pretty decent. It's not over the top. You don't have to worry about that. 120 volts it has, as well as it will oscillate when you press the button, it says. So that's kind of cool. And it also has the tip over protection, which is really great, and you want that for the electric portable heaters. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box of the Kloudic electric heater. This is model number KD QN04. So I already opened it up and removed some of that, the plastic and all that. We don't need to see that. Obviously, what's going to come in that. So it comes with a little card here. It says free gift. You can open that up, and it talks about if you leave a review and do some testing and follow us at Facebook, you can get a free gift from them. That's kind of cool. Haven't seen that before. It just says thank you. Then you have your getting started manual right here. Talks about malfunctions and solutions. And I actually did read through this, and some of the writing is kind of hilarious, so you might not be able to figure that out, but that's different. So then actually in the box we have this right here. So again, this came with the foam wrapping, and it is plastic. So we have that, again, 600 watts. This is the blue frame to it, and I saw a couple different colors. On the top there we have the on-off and the oscillate button that you just press, as well as on the back we have the flip switch for on and off. So that's kind of cool. On the bottom, I'm pretty sure that button there is the tip protection, so if it falls over, it's going to turn off, or is supposed to turn off. And then on the back here also we have the little door that opens up, and oops, and there's just a little filter right there. You can probably clean this out, and you can probably also get other ones to replace it if you want when it gets dirty. And you can see the little fan in there. So I'm looking forward to checking this out. 600 watts is not, really, tons and tons of power, so you won't have problems if you have other stuff plugged into that outlet. But this should be plenty big to use, for a small desk area. Now on the box here, it does, talk about it's great for, it says quick heat, wide range, lean down off. Not too sure what that is. I guess that's the anti-tip, and it says no naked fire. I swear it says no naked fire. Don't know what that means. Temp fuse, overheat protect, and flame resistance. So those features, I'm not totally sure what that actually means, and I don't want to find out what no naked fire means. So we won't do that. It also says use scenario. I really wish some of these companies would just reach out to somebody to proofread this stuff before they print the box in English. It says use scenario, classroom, office, bedroom, living room, hotel, dormitory. I'm going to guess that this 600 watt thing is not going to work for a hotel, maybe if you travel with it. Office, yes. Classroom, bedroom, probably not as well as the living room. This thing is small. It's not going to heat that big of an area. But we are going to test it. So make sure you check out the review of the Kloudic electric portable heater. And we will see, how it heats up this room. This is pretty much a 10, I think it's like a 10 by 10 office here. Maybe it will work. My guess it's going to, heat up the area that I'm sitting in with the oscillation, which will be nice to have as well. So there you go. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. If you use one of these or something like it, let us know in the comments below. Or if you have experience with this, let us know what you think of it. And also, if you know what no naked fire means, you can also comment that. So again, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you smash the like button and make sure you subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.